My name is Julie Fay. I'm the Director of Manufacturing for the BASF polyurethanes facilities across North America. I currently live in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and work out of the North Geismar facility. Growing up, I loved science and math, and I love problem solving. My parents were both teachers, so I felt like that would be a natural fit for me to go into teaching, but they really wanted me to challenge myself. And so I changed my degree along the way to engineering. It was a kind of a scary move for me because it definitely introduced new challenges and things didn't come as easy. So I was a little concerned that maybe I hadn't made the right move, but after interviewing for a few great companies and coming on with BASF, I was really pleased because the manufacturing environment was such a natural fit for my love of math and science and problem solving, and the engineering just was a really great fit. And with BASF offering the diversity of rotation program and allowed me to see so much early on, I was actually manufacturing I knew was going to be a good fit for my career. What I like most about working in manufacturing at BASF was all the opportunities that it's afforded me over my 30-year career. All 30 years I've been in manufacturing, and there's just every day can be different, and every job that you look to take as an opportunity can be different as well. So I've been fortunate enough to be in design engineering, working on new plants, customer solutions with new business and new products, as well as sustainable solutions. Right now we're looking at the polyurethanes and recycling. And then, I don't want to overlook all the colleagues that I've been introduced to around the world, and some of them are truly friends today. For the 30 years, it's really changed. And almost to say there's no typical day, but I have definitely moved from more tactical roles as a process design engineer, where you're creating tactical solutions, analytical problem solving, and now I've moved more as my director position is more strategic. So most of what I'm doing on a typical day is supporting others, is really trying to understand their concerns or their issues at my sites and see how I can provide solutions. So that could be helping a site fill open positions or helping a site get engineering resources for projects. So I guess that would be a typical day for me right now. Receiving this award is truly an honor. I never imagined that I would be here. In fact, I didn't really think I'd make it 2 years with BASF. I was very insecure coming in as an engineer, and there wasn't really a lot of support. At that time, no one thinks you need it. They think you have a degree, you're capable. And so my husband actually really stepped up and gave me a lot of support and encouragement, probably for the first 5 years. And then I started meeting strong females in BASF, and they supported me, and now I understand the value of giving that back. And that's part of, I think, my responsibility and role in BASF is to mentor others and help them be successful and help them understand, what they're going through, the challenges. That's okay. And, we can rise up and we can, support each other. And I think that's important as well. The advice I would give anyone today would be the same advice my parents gave me, and it's really just to challenge yourself. Don't accept the status quo, don't give up, which was the advice my husband gave me. So I guess I'm feeding off of others what helped me so much, and I've used that across not just BASF, not just females in manufacturing, but those that I've been managers to or mentors to, or even outside the community. I interact with Girls on the Run, and so that's an opportunity to help girls get more out of themselves and help them feel proud about their accomplishments, which is exactly what I want with my colleagues and others in BASF.
BASF. We create chemistry.